Hey guys, Warren with Divine AV. So today we're going to show you a theater that Vinny, Cody, and Mercedes got finished up. Derek coordinated everything. Everything came out beautiful so far. We still have to get a cabinet. So we have the ESL towers. They sound absolutely phenomenal with the calibration. We have the ESLC center channel. This thing's absolutely phenomenal. The Yamaha 880, it's the RXA 880. The Klipsch SPL 120. Of course, this is a fantastic subwoofer. Honestly, I think it's a little bit better than some of the Martin Logan subwoofers, which is why I paired it here. Then we have the ESL towers. These things are awesome. I love them considering getting them from my place. So look how thin they are, it's really cool. So that's that. And then of course we did CS Klipsch on the sides. I like them a bit better. They're just a bit more dynamic and they're easier to calibrate, come up with a really good quality of sound, full range. We got CS on the ceiling as well. And of course we have the Epson 4050 projector. So this is a 5.1.2 Dolby Atmos system. It sounds fantastic, and I'll show you guys some demonstrations right now. And I just got finished with calibration, calibrated the projector, and did all the RTA calibration with the individual frequency adjustments throughout the full range of your hearing. It sounds freaking phenomenal, so check out all of these clips right here. Hope you enjoy this one.
I thought this was supposed to be the most advanced security system on the planet.
We don't have a day. Hurry up.
Enough. Do you have satellite?
Of course.
Are you certain the target is on site?
Oh, she's here all right.
Okay, you're in.
Until the inspection is over.
The door. Sombra.
Turrets are down.
I'm in position. Sombra, time to target.
Incoming right now.
Chairman Wojcik, the new guidance systems, they will be the difference in destroying the hedonics.
Tell me we're still on schedule. The Omnium will not wait for us to be ready before they attack again. Our first new mix in a decade. This will ensure the future of Russia. Just a little bit further.
Widowmaker, hold the perimeter. We'll take over. Sombra, I'm cut off. It's on you now.
I'm all over it. Get away! I'm working on it.
Where did she go? Find her!
You have no idea what it took for me to make this meeting happen.
Relájate, I'm not
going to kill you. I mean, I'm the one that set off the alarm.
Sombra, do you have the target?
Okay, listen. I'm here to make a friend and show you something I found. Tell me, what would happen if the people of Russia learned that their defender against the Onyx was actually getting her tech from the enemy? What would that do to the future of Russia? What do you want? The most powerful woman in Russia? I've always wanted a friend like that. So I'm thinking, I don't let these images appear on every holovid in the world. And you help out your new friend every now and then. What do you say? Clock's ticking, amiga. As if I had the choice. Now what, friend? I'll be in touch. Mission failed. Target escaped.
భగమండే నిప్పుల వర్షమొచ్చినా జనగణమన అంటూనే తోకేవాడే సైనికుడు పెళ 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 పెళమంటూ మంచు తుఫాను వచ్చినా వెనకడుగే లేదంటూ దాటేవాడే సైనికుడు